Welcome back to Premium Auto, the home of luxury, performance, and the world's most incredible SUVs. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the stunning new 2026 Lexus LX 600, a flagship luxury SUV that blends premium comfort with serious off-road capability. The vehicle you're seeing features an aggressive custom appearance package with a lowered stance, sporty aerodynamic body kit, massive black alloy wheels, and a striking black and white color combination that gives this already prestigious SUV an unmistakable road presence. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that turns heads everywhere it goes while delivering incredible comfort and performance, stay with us until the end, because this Lexus might be one of the finest luxury SUVs of 2026. The first thing that captures your attention is the bold front design. Lexus has created a commanding face that instantly announces its presence. The massive spindle grille dominates the front fascia with a gloss black finish that perfectly complements the aggressive styling. The large Lexus emblem sits proudly in the center, giving the SUV an unmistakable identity. Slim, triple-beam LED headlights stretch sharply toward the fenders, creating an aggressive expression that looks futuristic during the day and even more impressive at night. The sculpted hood features muscular lines flowing toward the windshield, emphasizing strength and confidence. Large vertical air intakes enhance both cooling efficiency and the sporty appearance, while the custom front splitter extends lower to create a race-inspired look. This customized version transforms the LX 600 from a luxury family SUV into something that looks ready for both the boulevard and the racetrack. Moving toward the side, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 continues to impress with elegant proportions and muscular body lines. Built on Toyota's legendary body-on-frame platform, the SUV maintains its rugged DNA while adding premium sophistication. The extended wheelbase provides excellent interior space while keeping the overall design balanced. Large, gloss black, multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly fill the wheel arches and give the SUV an incredibly planted stance. The low-profile performance tires add a sporty touch without sacrificing comfort. Black side mirrors, black roof, window trim, and roof rails create a beautiful contrast against the white body paint. The aggressive side skirts enhance the lower profile while improving the aerodynamic appearance. Flush, body-colored door handles maintain clean styling, and the subtle shoulder line running from front to rear gives the SUV an elegant sense of motion, even when parked. The slightly tinted windows add privacy while completing the premium luxury appearance. As we arrive at the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, creating one of the most recognizable lighting signatures in the luxury SUV segment. The illuminated Lexus lettering replaces the traditional badge and adds a clean, modern touch. The roof spoiler extends over the rear window, giving the vehicle a sporty personality while improving aerodynamics. This custom build features an aggressive rear diffuser finished in gloss black, along with quad exhaust outlets that make the SUV appear much more performance-focused than the standard model. Sharp bumper lines, integrated reflectors, and sculpted surfaces create depth and sophistication. Even standing still, the rear design gives the impression of speed and power. It perfectly balances luxury with athletic styling, making this one of the most eye-catching full-size SUVs available today. Opening the doors reveals an interior designed to satisfy even the most demanding luxury buyers. Premium leather upholstery covers nearly every surface, while genuine wood and aluminum trim create a refined atmosphere. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer multiple power adjustments with memory settings, ensuring exceptional comfort during long journeys. Soft touch materials extend across the dashboard, center console, and door panels, delivering a truly first-class experience. Directly in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster, displaying navigation, driving information, and vehicle settings in crystal-clear graphics. The large central infotainment display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone connectivity. Voice controls respond quickly, while the premium sound system delivers concert-quality audio throughout the cabin. Multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless phone charging, and advanced connectivity features ensure everyone stays connected. Rear passengers are treated like VIPs. The spacious second row offers generous legroom and headroom with available captain's chairs, heating, ventilation, and premium armrests. High-quality climate controls allow rear occupants to customize their comfort independently. The cargo area behind the third row remains practical for luggage, while folding both rear rows creates an enormous storage space suitable for road trips, outdoor adventures, or transporting larger items. Safety remains one of Lexus's strongest qualities. The 2026 LX 600 comes equipped with the latest Lexus safety system, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, traffic sign recognition, parking sensors, a 360-degree surround view camera, and multiple airbags positioned throughout the cabin. These technologies work together to provide confidence whether driving through busy city traffic or exploring remote highways. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 continues with its powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing approximately 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through a smooth and responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. The full-time four-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction on every surface, while advanced terrain management allows the SUV to conquer mud, snow, sand, rocks, and steep mountain trails with remarkable ease. Acceleration feels surprisingly quick for a vehicle of this size. The LX 600 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.8 seconds, making highway merging and overtaking effortless. Steering feels precise, and the adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, delivering a comfortable ride over rough pavement while maintaining impressive body control through corners. Even with its luxurious character, the LX still retains genuine off-road capability that few competitors can match. Fuel efficiency has also improved thanks to the twin-turbocharged engine, offering a better balance between performance and economy compared to the previous V8 generation. Whether you're commuting daily, traveling across the country, or exploring challenging terrain, the LX 600 feels refined, quiet, and exceptionally capable. One of the biggest reasons buyers choose the Lexus LX is reliability. Lexus has built a reputation for producing vehicles that last hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Combined with excellent resale value and outstanding build quality, the LX remains one of the smartest long-term investments in the luxury SUV market. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 is expected to start at around $108,000 for the standard model. Higher trims with luxury packages can reach $125,000 to $135,000. While customized versions featuring premium wheels, aerodynamic body kits, performance styling upgrades, and bespoke interior finishes can easily exceed $145,000, depending on the modifications selected. Overall, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 successfully combines luxury, durability, advanced technology, and impressive performance into one complete package. It offers the comfort of a premium executive SUV, the reliability Lexus is famous for, and true off-road capability that many luxury rivals simply cannot match. The custom styling seen here adds an entirely new personality, transforming the LX into an SUV that commands attention everywhere it goes. If you want a full-size luxury SUV that delivers elegance, power, cutting-edge technology, and legendary dependability without compromise, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 deserves a place at the very top of your shortlist. Thanks for watching Premium Auto. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the world's most luxurious and powerful vehicles. Until next time, drive safe and keep enjoying the very best of automotive excellence.